Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create the Car HMI application in Qt QML application by use of Qt QML components, and which I already make some preview videos about it, how to create the Car HMI application and how to create its module like home screen module, main window module, speedometer module, music module and navigation module. Okay, so this is the code of that application. Let me run this application first. So you can see this is the speedometer module, and in this video I will show you how to create some basic screen like this is the basic layout screen. You can see this is the home screen, and this is a which I create in a main QML file. You can see this is a main QML file. So here you can see this is the code of that main QML file. Here I define here some width and height. That is a fixed width and height, and I create a window visibility functionality. We will discuss about it later. So this is the main rectangle, main background rectangle, and here I create a one column layout, and I create the add some images. You can see here this is the car image, navigation, home screen, music and menu screen. So you can see this is the image name also. Here I add in the resource files. So that file, that five things are the main components. So you can see this is the main. Here I display the display the image, and I create a mouse area to create the click event. So when I click on that icon, the specific screen will be open. So you can see this is a window visibility function, and I create the five main rectangle to display each module of that view. You can see here I create the car main view QML file where the speedometer module was created. This is the navigation, this is the home screen, this is the music view and menu, and this is the window visibility function. When I click on the specific module, that specific rectangle will be raised, and you can see. So let me explain this code. So here I first of all create this fixed width and height of that application. Also this is a responsive application. Okay, and here I create the component on complete event and call the window visibility to display the main view. This is the main view of our application. Okay, so this is the speedometer module, and you can see I create one column layout to display this icons in a specific layout matter, and here I add there some spacing between that icons. You can also change the spacing of that icon. Let me change the values. So I set the value, let's set the 50 or let's set the 60, and run the application. Okay, let's build the application and see. Wait for the build. So you can see the spacing will was increased between the two icons. So you can also adjust the spacing here. So before this start this application, you must know the basic properties about us, basic controls or basic common controls like column layout, rectangles, image and other things. You must know the basic property about that all components. So let's set the spacing 40 again, and you can see the vertically center. I also assign the layout anchor. So you must know the basic property of each component of Qt QML to create this kind of application. Okay, so here you can see I create the five main images, which you can see this is that the main view. This is a car default icon. This is a default icon. When I click on the specific module, that specific image will be changed. You can see I create the one window visibility function where I change the icon. So here when I click on the specific icon, when a specific image, the image will be changed. You can see this is the navigation. So you can see this is the navigation image, that image will be changed. Okay, so here I also use the Z property. So when I click on the specific module, that specific property will be set the 1 and other one was the 0, and I set the specific background was the enable and disable facility. Okay, this is the navigation module where I create the find the route. You can see also this is the where the route is defined. So this function used for the to hide or visible in a specific module or a specific screen here. So when I click on the main screen, so that speedometer module will be occurred. So you can see the specific rectangle will be raised, or otherwise that was be 0. This was visible false as a hide. So here I use the Z property for it. Okay, so that five major modules are here, you can see. So this is the code of window visibility function, where here I pass the item. Okay, you can see that I create a 5 major rectangle. So that is a car view, a navigation rectangle, a main rectangle, music rectangle, and main menu rectangle. Okay, so this is a 5 major. Here I set the xy property and width and height also, and the some radius. You can see there is a radius of that specific rectangle. You can also change the let's change the color of that specific rectangle. So let's change the here we have to change the letter value set. Let's set the 35 and a. So you can see this when you hover on this rectangle color property. So let me run this application and you can see. So I think I defined the color value in that main view. So this is the main view here, where I define the a specific color value. Here I also set the specific color. So let me just change the value. That code I will explain in next video. Wait for the build. So you can see the color was changed. Okay, so I here define the some individual rectangle to display the specific controls. Okay, so let me roll back this property again. Okay, now let's run the application, and you can see the color will be rollbacks. So this is the main QML file. Okay, so where I define the basic layout, where car indicators, main menu indicators, and this is the speedometer, which is 5 major rectangle, where you can see this is the main rectangle, this is the navigation and main menu, music rectangle, and main. Okay, menu rectangle. So this code is a simple. This is the main QML file. You can see this is all the code. Let me go scroll this code one by one. You can see here. Let me explain you again this all code. Here I set the basic width and height property, and create the one major main rectangle, where I declare the column layout and add the some images. Okay, 5 images, which is indicate the 5 major modules, speedometer module, and music and other modules. So that individual image I create the mouse area. When I click on the specific image, so that a specific on click event we call the window visibility function, and here I pass the ID. So this is the ID of the each main rectangle, navigation, speedometer, and home screen and other things. Okay, so when I pass the rectangle or ID here, so it will be set the visible true and other will be visible false. Okay, so this is the 5 major layout, where I add these 5 images in single column layout to display in proper manner. So this is the column layout. Okay, now here I create a 5 major in individual rectangle, where I will display the each and every module here. So this is the rectangle or 5 rectangles, and this is the window visibility function to hide or show in specific window of this our Car HMI application. So this is the simple code to create the main screen of our Car HMI application, and you can also write this code in your project and try to run this application and create the similar application by use of this property, and try to learn this code. Okay, and let me scroll this code again. So you can see, let me scroll. So this is the main screen, main rectangle, column layout property, image property, rectangle where I create the main view, rectangle main view, navigation view where I display the set the some property again. This is the main rectangle, home view, this is the music view and main view, and this is the window visibility function. Okay, so where I hide and show a specific window of that application. And when the components is on completed, when I create call the car main rectangle to display the default view of that our application. So this is the car main rectangle, and this is our main QML file. Okay, so you can also see here I add these resources in our Qt QML application to use this kind of image. I also made a video about how to add the images in our Qt resource file also. So this kind of resources I create all kind of the application, all kind of the image, required image in our application. So you can also see I use the multiple type of image to for the next in previous place, shuffle one, and multiple kind of application. Okay, and here I use this kind of modules in our Qt QML application, positioning module, location module, and other things. Okay, so this is the main file of our Qt Car HMI application. In next window, I will show you the code of how to create this is the speedometer in our Qt QML application, or how to add this in our Qt Car HMI application. Okay, so please share this video with your friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos, and join my YouTube channel to access this kind of content. You can become a YouTube channel member to access this kind of content. So please drop your comment if you have any question, and please like this video and share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.